welcome back, and I hope you guys are doing great. So today's video is actually a makeup look. This makeup look was supposed to be for weddings and Diwali, but I know for a fact that this video is being uploaded after Diwali and after, not really after wedding season, but the way I planned my entire schedule for the year was I planned it a few months ago. So in my mind, this whole make was supposed to be cleared up by November at least, and we are already in November, and let's just say it's not clear yet. I'm not really sure if anyone is attending a wedding right now, but I wanted to do this makeup look anyway. Yes, the sparrow is very annoying, I'm sorry. Oh, it stopped. No. Anyway, it's a makeup tutorial. This is actually a look that I did create and did wear to a wedding, so that's why I decided to do this eye look. And yeah, that is it. Let's get into the actual video now. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the primer. It's not the Pond's one. I've already applied the Pond's one as a moisturizer and as an all over base, but for the primer I'm gonna use my Maybelline Master Prime by Face Studio, and this is the Blur and Smooth one. Just gonna apply it mainly in the centers. This does give you a more smoother and more softer kind of a face, so it does blur up a little bit. Do I feel like it's a necessity? No, for me at this point nothing is a necessity. The foundation of choice is obviously my Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in the color Toffee Pecan. I'm using this one because I want to finish this foundation. Also, this does look really good and this does wear really well, so I've already done multiple videos on this. So I've done a review of this foundation. I have also done a comparison video with the Lakme one, and yeah, I think that is it. But I'm just applying this, and usually if I'm actually going to a wedding or if I'm actually gonna be going out somewhere where people will see my face, I will mix this in with another foundation. But since I'm only home, I don't feel the need to. But yeah, usually just because this is slightly more orange, I don't think the camera picks up that orange undertone so much. But if you apply this properly in a normal foundation manner, people can tell that this is slightly orange to your skin tone. So now I do have some scars and all. They just don't bother me so much that I feel the need to go in with another layer or go in with a concealer. But underneath my eyes, because this is a wedding focused or more of a function focused look, I will apply a concealer. The concealer of choice is the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. I got this in the shade Caramel. I wish the color was slightly lighter because sometimes I apply this to my face and I don't know if there is anything on my face or not, because that is how good the color match to my face is. Like, I'm applying this. I don't think you guys realize it, but there is indeed product. See over here. Independently, this concealer is fine, but if I'm doing a makeup look properly where I need my face to be in a proper color for everything, then this color is slightly not dark, but it's way too similar to my actual skin tone. So yeah. Next, to set my face, I'm using my, I don't need to explain this, do I? But I'm just using the banana powder, and I'm not gonna set my top lid. I'm just gonna use this to set the concealer. I did not apply a lot of concealer in that area either, so on my eyelid, because I'm gonna do eyeshadow and I just don't like the same color. I like my base to be a little lighter so that the eyeshadow colors can pop a little bit more. Now I'll go in with my Wet n Wild concealer, which is a little bit lighter so that the T-zone can be a little brighter. And next, just to set the T-zone properly, going in again with the banana powder. If you guys have recommendation for setting powder, let me know, except the Fit Me. I'm gonna pick the Fit Me one, but I feel like I need something else along with it because this powder is about to get over, and as much as I would like to repurchase this, and I might repurchase this, I also want to try something new. So just to bronze, I'm gonna use the same exact thing, the other part. For blush, I'm so tired of using this thing, but blushes are just so hard to pan. I'm using my Colorbar blusher. I like how it looks on the camera. It does not look as pink, but in real life it's very pink. Using my Swiss Beauty highlighter, I'm gonna use the front two shades, like the top two shades. So I'm just gonna zoom you guys in a little bit. I'm actually gonna start off with my brows, because once you do your brows, I feel like you get a better idea of how things are. I'm not gonna show you guys this in detail, but I'm just gonna apply and start off with a mascara. And now that I have filled it in with my brow gel, I'm after that gonna go in with my eyebrow pencil, which is the Wet n Wild. You guys know what this is. I don't remember. Okay, so the brows are done. I'm gonna go in with my concealer again, the Wet n Wild one, because it's a shade lighter. I'm gonna clean things up and also prime my eyelids. I'm gonna use my soft palette for this look. I'm gonna use this color, mix it in with a little bit of white and set my brow bone. This is basically just to ensure that I don't go overboard with my crease color. I'm gonna use the shade at the corner, so the pink color. This is gonna be the main color for me. I'm gonna start off by putting it in the inner part of my crease. Then I'm gonna take the camel shade over here and put it in the outer section, because I don't want it to be all pink. And to blend everything in, I'm taking a flat blending brush kinda and just using this to properly blend these colors together. Okay, usually I would take a brown and deepen my outer corner, but I like how fresh this is looking, so I'm just gonna put some lid color and maybe deepen up the outer corner, but this is gonna be it for the crease. I like how it looks, even though it's not the most detailed eye look. I think I'm gonna start with my cut crease. For the cut crease, same concealer, and I'm only gonna do the first half, like the inner half of my eye. Usually I cannot do it with just one swipe. I need something this tiny, but sometimes I get annoyed by how much time it's taking and I just go all in. This is the cut crease. I'm gonna go in with this color right here and just use it on my lid. Just to blend this gold color in with other color, I'm using this color. This is slightly more of that pink tone. This is the one that I used in my crease, so I'm gonna use this shimmery shade. Just drop it out a little bit so that the warm caramel shade matches with this, the pink shade matches with this pink shade. I'm gonna use the same pink shade that I used over here for the outer corner. Okay, so that is it for the eye look. Okay, voiceover. I'm taking my Mascara glitter liner and putting it in the inner parts of my eye. Next, I'm taking that shade from the soft palette and using it as my inner corner highlight. Then using the Colossal mascara for the lashes, and that's it for the eyes. I really like how this turned out. Moving on to the lips, I'm using this mascara lip liner in the color Sandy Pink, lining and filling my lips with this, and then going on top of it with my Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipstick in the color Nuance. And yeah, that is it. That is the completed makeup look. I personally really like it, and I hope you guys found this helpful too. Here's a close-up of the makeup look, and yeah, that is it. Let's move to the outro. Okay, so that was it for today's video. I know I had to switch over to voiceover after a while, but I hope you guys don't mind it too much. This is the look that I came up with. You guys already saw it in the intro, but anyway, I think it turned out really prettily, and for the festival season, I hope I'm able to upload this before Diwali. If I'm not able to upload this before Diwali, then for wedding season, I feel like this is a very wearable look. It's easy and at the same time, it looks like you have put some effort in. I think things came out really nicely and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all your support and I will see you in my next one. Bye. I think this is the first time I worn earrings since January and my ears hurt so bad. But yeah, I can't wait to take this off.